Revitalize your leather sofa by cleaning, repairing, and recoloring it for a fresh look. Although leather couches are durable and stylish, they can become dirty, stained, or worn over time. Start by vacuuming to remove dust and debris, then create a cleaning solution with equal parts diluted white vinegar and water. Dampen a microfiber cloth with this solution and gently wipe the couch in small circular motions before drying it with a clean towel to prevent moisture from damaging the leather. For tougher stains, you can use diluted rubbing alcohol for mold, eucalyptus oil or hairspray for ink marks, baking soda for greasy stains, and a lemon juice and cream of tartar paste for dark stains on light leather. Small tears can be addressed with superglue, while larger holes may require a subpatch for proper repair. With these steps, you can effectively restore the beauty of your leather sofa.